Karan sits in silent contemplation, adrift from the bustling rhythms of village life. Karan seems lost in thought, detached from the lively tapestry of life unfolding around him. The villagers, engrossed in their tasks, unknowingly accentuate Karan's stillness, painting a vivid portrait of isolation amidst a sea of activity. In the dim solitude of his room, Karan wrestles with inner demons, his restless movements echoing the storm raging within. Lost in thought, Karan's gaze is fixed on the ceiling, each passing moment a stark reminder of time slipping through his fingers. Karan's voice cuts through the silence, a haunting lament questioning the essence of his existence. Another day gone. What did I even accomplish? A wave of emptiness washes over Karan, the weight of wasted time bearing down on his weary soul. Beneath the ancient banyan tree, Karan sits, lost in thought as the leaves whisper secrets in the gentle breeze. Mohan, an elderly villager with a face carved by time, approaches with a quiet wisdom that hints at untold stories. In a moment of quiet concern, Mohan softly asks, "Karan, my boy, you seem troubled." Karan reveals his inner turmoil, confessing, "Mohanji, I feel lost. Time slips by and am not sure what I'm meant to do with it." Mohan shares a profound insight, reminding him, "Time, Karan, is a river. It flows whether we swim or simply float. The question is, where do you wish to go?" Mohan imparts a timeless lesson, revealing, "Uncertainty is the spice of life, my boy. It's in the unknown that we discover our purpose." With a gesture towards the ancient tree, Mohan inspires, "Look around you. The tree has stood here for centuries, weathering storms and providing shelter. It found its purpose. You will find yours too." In the vast fields under the warm sun, Karan hesitantly begins his journey, his initial clumsiness a stark contrast to the seasoned expertise of his father. The relentless physical labor tests Karan's resolve, each drop of sweat a testament to his growing understanding of the land and its demands. As the day unfolds, a newfound appreciation blossoms within Karan, the rhythmic toil weaving a tapestry of understanding and connection to his heritage. The endless expanse of fields transforms into a symbol of boundless opportunities, each furrow a pathway to self-discovery and future potential. In Karan's sun-drenched home, his mother guides him through the ancient art of weaving, where the threads of frustration slowly unravel. Initially, Karan's face is etched with frustration, but slowly, patience dawns as he begins to understand the stories he can embed within the woven fabric. The loom stands as a silent symbol of the relentless passage of time, bearing witness to the unfolding legacy. Amidst the vibrant tapestry of the harvest festival, the village pulsates with life and boundless energy. In a serendipitous encounter, Karan's path converges with Mira's, sparking an instant connection that defies the clamorous crowd. In their eyes, a silent dialogue unfolds, mirroring shared dreams and aspirations that transcend the festive clamor. The lively festival atmosphere serves as a vibrant backdrop, underscoring their blossoming relationship amidst the joyous revelry. Karan and Mira, basking in the golden sunlight, envision a world of boundless adventures amid the whispering grass. Karan's eyes sparkle with wanderlust, as he paints a vivid picture of cobblestone streets and ancient castles, igniting a shared dream. Mira counters with visions of hidden waterfalls and exotic wildlife, deepening their shared yearning for exploration. Karan, fueled by their collective spirit, suggests scaling Mount Everest and diving in the Great Barrier Reef, pushing the boundaries of their dreams. In a moment of serene certainty, Mira affirms that any adventure is possible, as long as they're together, their love a compass guiding their way. A savage storm descends upon the village, its wrathful winds tearing through the narrow streets, mirroring the villagers' inner turmoil. Roofs are torn asunder and trees are uprooted, as the storm's violence mirrors the heavy burden carried by the villagers. Faces etched with worry and fear, the villagers brace themselves against the tempest, their expressions reflecting the storm's relentless assault. In the heart of a village ravaged by a relentless storm, Karan's unwavering resolve shines as he bursts through a splintered door, determined to rescue his neighbors. Amidst the swirling floodwaters, Karan transforms into a beacon of hope, tirelessly guiding his terrified neighbors to safety, one precious life at a time. Each rescued villager reflects a silent epiphany, their eyes mirroring a profound appreciation for the gift of time and the immeasurable value of selfless sacrifice. Amidst the ruins of their homes, the villagers unite, their faces mirroring the storm's harshness, yet their spirits remain resilient. Karan emerges as a beacon of strength, his relentless efforts fortifying not only structures, but also the unbreakable spirit of the community. Bathed in the gentle embrace of the rising sun, a new dawn symbolizes hope and rebirth, illuminating the path to recovery. In the tranquil embrace of his home, Karan sits by the fire, his silhouette dancing in the warm, flickering light. As the flames dance, shadows play across Karan's face, each flicker revealing the weight of memories and the wisdom of experience. The crackling fire whispers tales of journeys undertaken and lessons learned, filling the silence with a comforting sense of introspection. Travelers, their faces lined with the dust of endless roads, descend upon the village, heralding tales of distant lands. In the central square, their voices weave a tapestry of adventures, painting vivid pictures of lands where endless possibilities shimmer like mirages. Karan, a young man with eyes full of dreams, listens intently, his heart stirred by the call of the unknown. Inspired to explore, Karan envisions a world beyond his familiar surroundings, a world that suddenly feels within reach. Under the vast expanse of the sky, Karan and Mira begin their arduous journey, ready to confront the unpredictable forces of nature. Against the backdrop of relentless weather, their resolve deepens as they navigate the rugged, unforgiving terrain. With each obstacle conquered, Karan and Mira find their determination fortified, their bond strengthened amidst the trials of the road. In the vibrant heart of the town square, Karan and Mira find themselves amidst a mosaic of fulfilled souls, each radiating an inner contentment. The teacher's eyes sparkle with an infectious passion as she recounts the profound joy of sculpting young minds, her words painting vivid pictures of growth and discovery. The farmer, his hands bearing the marks of honest labor, beams with pride as he speaks of the simple yet profound satisfaction of coaxing life from the earth. Bathed in the sun's golden embrace, The scene resonates with the quiet harmony of lives well lived, a testament to the beauty of purpose and passion. In the quiet of Karan's camp, the flickering kerosene lamp casts dancing shadows as Karan pours his soul into the worn pages of his notebook. With each stroke of his pen, Karan weaves tales of beauty and humanity, transforming simple encounters into a treasure trove of wisdom. The soft glow illuminates Karan's face, reflecting the profound impact of kindness from strangers encountered along his solitary journey. Karan and Mira arrive in a vibrant town, where a bustling market square teems with life. Amidst the lively chaos, a modest schoolhouse beckons from the edge of town, promising hope. The air is filled with the joyful sounds of children learning, sparking an idea in Karan's heart. The scene inspires Karan to volunteer as a teacher, igniting a new chapter in his life. Bathed in sunlight, Karan, with his worn notebook, sits among the attentive children, his voice weaving tales of adventure. As Karan's animated voice fills the room, the children's eyes widen, their imaginations soaring on the wings of his words. The classroom transforms into a world of dreams, as Karan's stories bring distant lands and thrilling adventures to life. Karan, with a gentle passion in his voice, stands before a classroom of eager children, emphasizing the value of time. He passionately declares, "Wasting time is like letting a precious gift slip away, never to be reclaimed." A newfound appreciation sparkles in the eyes of the children as they begin to see the beauty in their own lives. Karan's return to his home village marks a poignant reunion as villagers eagerly await his presence. Faces young and old reflect a shared anticipation, their gaze fixed on the figure of the returning hero. The air crackles with unspoken stories as the community reunites with one of its own. Beneath the sprawling branches of the ancient banyan tree, Karan finds solace as twilight paints the sky, casting long shadows. Lost in reflection, Karan ponders his life's journey, each memory twinkling like the first stars emerging in the darkening sky. With quiet resolve, Karan reflects, "I did not waste my time.